Picture the year 1854 in Paris, France. A man named Louis Vuitton opens a small workshop, marking the birth of an icon. This was no ordinary workshop, but the seed of what would become a globally recognized luxury brand. The journey of Louis Vuitton, from its inception to its current status, is a tale of innovation, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. In the early years, the brand was known for its exquisite luggage, but it was the creation of the iconic monogram in 1896 that catapulted it into the limelight. This monogram, a symbol of luxury and sophistication, has since become synonymous with the brand itself. As the years passed, Louis Vuitton expanded its offerings, stepping boldly into the world of fashion, each piece an embodiment of the brand's commitment to quality and design. From its humble beginnings to becoming a symbol of luxury and elegance, Louis Vuitton has truly redefined the fashion world. When it comes to luxury handbags, Louis Vuitton stands unrivaled. But what makes these bags so special? There's an enchanting allure to a Louis Vuitton handbag that transcends the realm of fashion. It's a culmination of opulent materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and timeless designs. Each bag is a testament to the brand's relentless pursuit of excellence that began over 160 years ago. The materials used in crafting these iconic bags are nothing short of the highest quality. From the supple leather that gracefully ages with time, to the durable canvas that withstands the rigors of daily life, every inch of a Louis Vuitton handbag exudes luxury. The brand's signature monogram canvas, with its distinct floral pattern, is more than just an aesthetic choice. It's a symbol of enduring style and elegance. Every stitch, every rivet, and every clasp on a Louis Vuitton handbag is a testament to the exceptional craftsmanship that goes into its creation. The artisans behind these bags are masters of their craft, with many dedicating their entire careers to perfecting the art of handbag making. They ensure that each bag not only looks exquisite, but also offers unrivaled functionality and durability. The designs of Louis Vuitton handbags are as diverse as they are iconic. Models like the Speedy, Neverfull, and Alma have become synonymous with the brand, each carrying a piece of Louis Vuitton's rich history. The Speedy, with its classic shape and practical design, has been a favorite among fashion enthusiasts since the 1930s. The Neverfull, true to its name, is a versatile tote that effortlessly marries style with function. And the Alma, with its dome shape and sturdy structure, is a timeless piece that embodies the essence of Louis Vuitton. Every Louis Vuitton handbag is more than just an accessory. It's a piece of art that carries a story of tradition, elegance, and sophistication. So the next time you see a Louis Vuitton handbag, remember, it's not just a bag, it's a testament to a legacy of luxury. So, why should one invest in a Louis Vuitton handbag? Well, the answer lies in the brand's remarkable reputation that has been meticulously built over the years. Louis Vuitton is synonymous with elegance, style, and timeless fashion. Owning a Louis Vuitton bag is akin to owning a piece of fashion history. But it's not just about the brand name. The enduring quality of a Louis Vuitton handbag is truly unparalleled. Each bag is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that it stands the test of time. In fact, many Louis Vuitton handbags become heirlooms, passed down through generations. And let's not forget about the investment aspect. Louis Vuitton bags maintain and often increase their value over time, making them a smart investment for the fashion-forward and financially savvy. Finally, the brand's commitment to sustainability is commendable. Louis Vuitton is continually striving to reduce its environmental impact, adding another feather to its cap. Owning a Louis Vuitton handbag is not just about style, it's about making a statement and investing in a piece that lasts a lifetime. In the world of fashion, Louis Vuitton continues to inspire and pave the way for luxury handbags. We've journeyed through time to understand the genesis of this iconic brand, delving into the rich history that has shaped Louis Vuitton's legacy. We've unveiled the magic that goes into each handbag, a blend of craftsmanship, innovation, and timeless design that sets Louis Vuitton apart from the rest. The value of owning a Louis Vuitton bag extends far beyond its physical form. It's a symbol of elegance, an investment in style, and a testament to one's appreciation for quality and luxury. Every stitch, every detail, each carefully selected material echoes the brand's commitment to excellence and its unyielding passion for fashion. As we wrap up, remember that these handbags are more than just accessories. They're pieces of history, statements of style, and tokens of luxury. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of fashion and luxury brands. Stay stylish, stay informed.